when he was granted the furlough, it became a big controversy, even though legally it was permitted. But is Sanjay Dutt now, along with the state government, using another legal loophole to get an extended holiday?
14 days of furlough is over, but Sanjay Dutt is still out of jail. We spoke with his lawyer just a while back. He says the state government did mention that Sanjay need not go to jail right now.
First of all, I'm very surprised in the manner in which the application for extension has been dealt with. Since we did not receive any response on the extension application, we decided to surrender. So when Sanjay went to surrender, there was a news flash quoting the Minister of State Home that application is pending. And if the application is pending, then he need not surrender. So we saw that news flash, and accordingly we addressed a letter to the prison authorities, and we said that such statement is there. Kindly verify. Second thing, our application is also pending, so there is no decision on the application. So please let us know if you feel that application is rejected, you also let us know that, and we can accordingly surrender within 24 hours. So basically we have informed them that kindly trace our extension application, see what is the status, see what is the reports that you have obtained, and you let us know, because we are as clueless as anybody, because at the end of the day we have made the application. So it is for the prison authorities to explain, and if they feel that we should surrender and Sanjay should go to the prison, they should let us know, and he will go within as expeditiously as possible within 24 hours.
Now, Mr. Jain, the Minister of State for Home, Mr. Ram Shinde, I was just speaking to him. He tells me that he never uttered these words. He never said that Sanjay need not go back to the jail. He says that all that he said was that the process is still not over, it's incomplete, and the decision is pending, and that lawyers from Sanjay's side have misrepresented it, misread it, perhaps taken advantage of a statement and ensured that Sanjay comes back.
Well, I don't think there has been any misrepresentation or this thing. We have clearly stated that this is what we heard on the news flash. We have also told them that kindly verify whether what we have heard is true.
But then you came back. But then you came back.
But then on the came back, and we also told them that if you want to call us, you call us immediately within 24 hours. We are ready to surrender if there is any misquoting or misrepresentation. So if they feel we are not the authorities, they are the authorities, the prison authorities are there, call us. We will go within 24 hours. No misquoting, we don't want to take any advantage of such this thing. If there is a feeling that there is a misrepresentation, please call us. We'll go within immediately.
Shaina NC of the BJP now joins me on the phone line. Shaina NC, is this special treatment being given to Sanjay Dutt by the Maharashtra government, given the fact that you say that his request for extension of furlough is still pending so he can stay out of jail? That's what the Home Minister of Maharashtra has said. So is this VVIP treatment for Sanjay Dutt?
If one has read the tweet of the Honorable Chief Minister, I think it says it all. He talks clearly about nobody being above the law and wants to work absolutely within the system, no special privileges, be it furlough, be it giving parole. I think that his tweet says it all. I would not want to comment on a judicial stand because I am not a lawyer by profession, but however, when it comes to one's own self-interest, I'm sure lawyers would want to pitch their own theory for their own client. However, let's understand that there is something called the judicial process, and there are provisions within that give you